One thing that can easily happen when you store your data in an Excel worksheet as opposed to in a full-blown database package is that you can quite soon generate some duplicates, either from double entry or from downloading the data twice. Now luckily, Excel provides a very quick tool for removing any duplicates from your data set. If we take our employees list, for example, and then the data ribbon, we'll see there's a remove duplicates option. One click on here activates the remove duplicates dialog box, and then in order to remove any duplicates, we need to decide which fields it has to check. If you leave all of them ticked, which they are by default, then every single value against 2 rows or 3 rows has to be exactly the same. Now the chance of that occurring in real live data is quite minimal, therefore it must be a duplicate. So if we leave everything selected, ensure we have the little tick in My Data Has Headers, because if we remove that tick, it then includes the headings in the check for duplication. So we need to keep that selected. And if we say OK, we find that there are actually no duplicate values at all. That's great. So there are no duplicate values. However, what might have occurred is we might have inserted duplicate records, but given them new ID numbers. So if we go back to the remove duplicates and say, actually, let's just check without comparing the ID. So we're comparing every other value except the ID, just in case the person we've entered twice has just been given another ID. Then OK. And we find that it removes 6 duplicate values, leaving us with 100 unique values. So the 6 that have been removed will have been repetitions of every single column of data at least twice, if not 3 times, if not 4 times. My only drawback with this tool, it doesn't actually tell you which records it's removed, not even which rows they were removed from. It's just taken away 6 duplicate values. So I'd certainly be careful and always back up the sheet before you run this tool in case it removes a value that in reality wasn't a duplicate value. Okay, those records are gone, but they can always come back if you do your undo straight away, and those 6 records will have now been added back into the dataset.